Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Crypto Insider and I'll be telling us about the newest Layer Edge update. Today they made a post on their X page about the Layer Edge beta testnet. So I'll be telling us the latest updates. So we'll be going over to their X page to see what they have posted there. Before I continue, please subscribe and turn on post notifications. Also endeavor to watch this video to the end. Like, and if you have any challenges, please let me know in the comment section. So they posted Happy Lunar New Year. Phase 1 extends. Normally, the phase 1 of this airdrop is supposed to end today, being the 28th of January. But for some reasons, maybe due to the new year, the Lunar New Year, they had to extend it. So over here, they said, we are overwhelmed with the participation we've received. Our 5 million plus unique wallets, or over 5 million plus unique wallets in less than a week, with almost 1 million plus users participating in running browser-based light node. So I think they had a lot of users, and then for this reason they decided to extend. So we are now extending our phase 1 for the Lunar New Year, and we'll announce details about the phase 2 and CLI nodes soon. So the most important part of this update is the key reminders. So we have to pay keen attention to this key reminder so that you don't end up losing your Layer Edge testnet points or being disqualified. So the first key reminder here is that 50 hours plus uptime of light node is required for you and referrals, so that referral points are considered confirmed from current pending state. So I'll explain this. Let's go to the Layer Edge dashboard. So this is the Layer Edge dashboard. So we'll go over to referrals. So as you can see, this is the referral page. This is the referral page. So you see I have 6 referrals and total earning with referral is 3,000. So over here, below here, you see pending referrals 6, pending points 3,000, which means that for these referrals and referral points to become confirmed, my referrals will have to have an uptime of 50 hours plus. So they have to have this Layer Edge testnet running for 50 hours plus. So it doesn't mean that it has to always be running. It means that after 24 hours, after the first 24 hours, they'll have to stop the node, restart the node. After the next 24 hours, stop the node, restart the node till 50 hours. That is it. But to be safe, you can make it 3 days, 72 hours, so that you don't make any mistake or stop yourself from gaining from this airdrop. So that's the first key reminder. So let's go back to the Twitter page. So we can see the second key reminder. You say make sure to check in at least once every 24 hours to ensure you've started node every day. We just talked about this. So every day, make sure you go over to the dashboard to restart the node again and connect to your MetaMask wallet. If not, it's not mine. And then also another update is that you don't need your data to basically be on for this node to be running. Once you've started the node, it runs in the background, whether your data is on or off, whether there's any connection or there's no connection, it just keeps running. But it's saying you have to go to the dashboard to ensure that you start and restart this node. So number 3 point says referring others would at least need you to have 50 hours of uptime. So this means that you referring persons now, you referring people, you need to have 50 hours of uptime. Else those referral points will not count. So both you and those you are referring need to have 50 hours plus uptime. And I've told us that one of the easy ways to do that is just leave the node to run for 24 hours, then just restart it after 24 hours. You can do so for 3 days, that's 72 hours. So number four, he said any IP sending multiple requests will be rate limited. You can check your IP status in the frequently asked questions page. So I'll be showing us how to do that now. So let's go over to the FAQ page. So that's it right here. So below the FAQ, you see enter your IP to check if you are rate limited. Enter your IP to check if you're rate limited. Then once you copy your IP, you can copy your IP address from your settings in your phone if you're using a phone. Also get from the settings in the laptop. So you can copy your IP address, then paste it here, then check status. If you're rate limited, I guess there will be something to do in order to prevent you from being rate limited. But if you are not, ensure that you are mining with one IP address. VPNs are not allowed. So it says soon we'll add email authentication. That's number 5. Soon we'll add email authentication before you can refer, which means referrals are much more easier now. So try as soon as possible to refer as much persons as you can now, because very soon your referrer will have to authenticate their email. This is to prevent multiple accounts. So the last key reminder is just referring on the dashboard will invalidate your points. So make sure you also run the light node with a minimum of 50 hours uptime. This is all they've been stressing on, which I know will be very, very important. That will be a criteria for those that will be getting this airdrop. So please let's pay attention to this so that we will not say in the end, after lending them our data and our internet for them to do whatever they want to do, we missed out on this testnet. So just to be safe, allow your node run for a minimum of 50 hours uptime. But I said in order not for us to make mistakes, you can allow it to run for 72 hours. I think that's all from the LayerEdge testnet. So that's it for now. So I'll just explain one or two things again. Light node, let's ensure that this light node is running. So log back in every 24 hours to keep running your light node. So after each 24 hours, you come back, restart this node and connect back to your wallet. It is very, very important so that you don't miss or lose out on your points. Okay, referrals. Also, ensure that both you and the friends you invited also maintain this minimum of 50 hours uptime in order to not disqualify them from getting the airdrop. So these are the frequently asked questions. So where can I get my referral code to join? I've already told us in my previous video. So you can check here to see if there's any question you have that has not been answered. And I think there's a new update currently, because for a while we were not able to access our dashboard. So there's been a new update that will help solve the issues of verifying browsers. Most of us are having the issue of whenever they try to log in, their browser keeps telling them that verification failed and all, or the dashboard is having issues, or connection of wallet is a bit slow. But I know that with this new updates now, all this will be easy and seamless. So if you have any questions, drop it on the comment section. I also have my Telegram channel in the description. I also have my referral code in the description. So do well to register with my code. Also refer your friends. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you can get more videos from me. See you next time.